election day and everyone here is going to the polling stations. If you take your polling card with you, the staff will take your details and help to answer any questions you have about the process. You'll be given 2 ballot papers. One lists the candidates in your local constituency by name. The other lists the political parties or individual candidates standing for the regional seat. Just take the ballot paper to one of the voting booths. They are screened to give you privacy while you are voting. Put a cross in the box on each paper next to the candidate and party you want to vote for. Only mark 1 box per ballot paper or your vote will be invalid. Fold your paper in half once you have made your mark, so that no one else can see your vote. Then take it and put it in the black ballot box. That's it, you have cast your vote.
This year, the people of Wales will have 3 opportunities to vote. To find out more, visit vote2011.org.